So me and Mum have been having a small argument over this. We're not sure if people prefer chicken or beef, so if you'd let us know in the comments whether we picked correctly, that would be fantastic. But what dish is this, Mum?
Beef with black pepper sauce.
It's basically like a Chinese steak with black peppercorn sauce, except without the cream.
Yeah, that's right. We took the cream out.
We took it straight out. So we're going to get on with this recipe. But before we start on that, I'm Chin, this is my mum Chu. We teach you how to cook Chinese at home. And if you like that sort of thing, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Commenting helps loads because it actually helps us decide what we're going to be making. We decided to make this video from one of your comments. Yeah, comment and we actually listen.
Yes, we get on with our dish now.
Yeah, and what cut do we have here, Ma?
Topside.
Topside is the cut that most takeaways in the UK are using. Some say flank in the States. I'm about to go out there to film a documentary for MSG. I'll find out what they're actually using by eating it. I very much doubt they're using flank. I just think that's what a chef thinks they're using. And then they've put that up as a video and then everyone's copied them since. I could be wrong, but I'm definitely gonna find out. UK, topside, top rump, silver side, and sometimes pad. But most of the time we use topside.
Topside.
Now last week I prepped the beef. Mum, do you want to do it this week?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Is that same size as last week?
Yeah, exactly the same. So Mum's just going to trim this off a little bit.
Yeah.
We want to take that sinew off.
Is that sinew?
Yeah. Someone the other day said, that's not sinew, that's silver skin.
Okay.
So I went on the Google, because it's a thing.
It's called sinew, is it?
No, they're both exactly the same thing.
Oh, same meaning.
Yeah.
Sinew.
Yeah.
Sinew mean new friend.
Does it?
Sounds like, yeah.
Pongyo.
Sinew. Sing mean new.
Pongyo's friend.
朋友 is a friend, but sing mean new friend. Sinew.
Oh.
News.
Friends.
Yeah, new friend. Friends. You don't need to take all this fat off if you don't want to, but I do like them in there. It gives it flavor, honestly.
Yeah.
It does.
It gives it a lot of flavour, especially when
From
you're...
the fat of the animal.
Yeah. And then you're just going to cut it into chunks. Yeah. At the moment, Mum's going across the grain.
Yeah, you see that?
With the grain.
You got across, okay?
And then when you want to cut it in slices, it's across the grain like that.
Yeah, that's right, look.
Move that out of the way.
See that?
Yeah. And then you cut across it.
Cut across, okay?
Now we know we show you this every time in every video, but like I said, we've got a lot of new followers now, and we just want to make sure that everyone knows exactly how to do the dish.
That's right.
God, that's a mega chunk.
Well, it's all right.
Right.
Oh, I don't like this chopping board.
No, it's warped.
Yeah, it's trying to swim away. Swim.
I'd say walk, but...
Oh, yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Oh. What? This piece is quite big, right? You cut into a smaller piece. And then down. Yeah. There you are. Look, you see? And you go across it, okay?
Nice and simple. When you know how to do it, it's automatic. You just look at it and you don't even think about it.
Look at that marbling.
Yeah, it
it's
looks
good.
Delicious. Yeah. You can obviously cut this down, and then what a lot of takeaways do is they'll prep big pots of this stuff and then freeze them in smaller amounts, take them out, defrost them and use them that day. Actually, that freezing process does help tender up the beef a little bit, because what happens, it creates ice crystals slowly, and those burst the cells, which bruise the meat internally, and also doesn't lose much flavour in terms of the freezing process. We actually like to keep it fresh, so we always do ours fresh and we don't freeze it. So we got our beef cut up here, and what we're going to do next, Ma?
We're going to season it, and it's called velveting it.
Yeah, so if you don't know what velveting is, it's the process of using an agent, aka a chemical, to make or keep your beef or protein tender during the cooking process, because cooking adds heat, denatures the proteins, causes water to come out of that beef and makes it go dry and rubbery, or chicken or whatever protein you're using. I keep saying beef because I'm holding beef in my hand. That's my fault. So the velveting agent we're using today is actually what, Ma?
Bicarbonate soda.
Yes, and we're going to be using a small amount, not too much. If you know what you're doing, you don't need to whack loads of bicarb in and wash it off. After 5 generations of chefs, we figured it out. The way we do it as well, the beef still has texture and it's still beefy. It still has that beef flavour. The other way most takeaways do it, where they flood it with the bicarb and then wash it off, you lose a lot of that beef flavour and the beef goes a little bit, what's the word, slimy.
Slimy, yes.
And if they don't wash the bicarb off properly, it goes what, ma?
Fishy smell,
Yes.
fishy taste as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah,
But if you like to do it that way, do it.
Yeah, I mean, some people
It's up
like their
to
beef.
you, yes.
I'll go to takeaways often that do their beef that way. It's just what I feel on that particular day.
Yeah.
It's not better, it's just different.
Salt.
Mum really wanted to say MSG.
This is MSG. Garlic powder,
Yeah.
potato starch.
And what the potato starch does, it forms a sort of a paste emulsion that helps stick to the meat, keeping all of that marinade onto the protein itself. Without it, it doesn't work as well.
Soy sauce, dark colour.
Yeah, we want quite a bit of this. Just a drop of veg oil. This isn't necessary. This is just if you're going to be keeping it in the fridge overnight. This stops it from drying out. Don't normally do this step, but I'm going to add some black pepper.
It's not open, is it?
Oh my, oh, that was ridiculous, wasn't it? So, adding some black pepper. Like I said, most takeaways aren't adding black pepper to their marinating beef, yeah, or the velveting process. Velveting and marinating are two different things before I start. Velveting is a process of keeping the beef tender. Marinating is adding flavour. So we're using a velveting in a marinade, a velveting agent in a marinade, okay? The marinade itself isn't velveting. So we're just doing this just for the fun of it for this video, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm gonna mix it together.
Look at that, already starts smelling gorgeous.
Yeah. Some takeaways will add Chinese rice wine to this. Very few because it's expensive, but I'm not going to say they're not because I do know and I've tasted beef that has obviously been marinated with Shaoxing rice wine. And then once that's mixed, we'll leave that for 20 minutes in the fridge. Start off with some veg oil, and I'm going to let Mum cook today because everyone always goes, "Why don't you let your mum cook?" So I'm going to let you cook.
Okay, I have to put a step on, all right? 1 minute.
Move it that way a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just going to interrupt the recipe to tell you about our cookbooks. They have both sold out. This for the 9th time in the row, and this for a second time, the second book. They're two completely different books before someone asks. The recipes are completely different. So these are available to pre-order. That means we do not have them in hand. They are pre-order only and they're due after the holidays. But what we've done is we made like this little voucher that you can download in the listing, and it just says, sorry they've sold out, but I'm a genius and I've reserved your copy, something along those lines. So you can, what do you want to say?
Listen, pre-order. There's no stock in the warehouse. Pre-order. It doesn't mean that if you order, it'll be sent out. We will send it out when it get into the UK docks.
Yeah, the reason why Mum has been like that is because the amount of people that have got angry at us because they couldn't read on the image that said massive writing pre-order in the title pre-order and 3 times in the listing pre-order. Plus I've even got a video on them this time explaining what a pre-order is of me. So yeah, we get it. I've done it before. I've ordered something, thought, where is it? Emailed them and they go, oh, it's a pre-order. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, okay. Because you get excited. That's human nature, right?
Yes.
What's not cool is getting angry at us for something that you've done. That's not okay. We can't move the world any faster than it moves already. Unfortunately, because if we could, I would be an X-Man.
Spider-Woman.
Different franchise, but yeah. They're only sold on our web store, nowhere else.
Yeah, not Amazon, no. Amazon, no.
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 Jangs.com before Mum speaks over me again.
Yes.
So there you go, Mum.
I haven't cooked for ages.
I know. Well, on camera, Mum cooks every day in the restaurant, but not in the...
Wait for the oil to get hot, okay?
Also, it's important that you use quite a bit of oil for this dish. Now, remember, this is Chinese takeaway food. It isn't traditional Chinese food. It's very much fast food. Where were we? Sorry, someone came in. We should have locked the door.
Okay, back to where we are now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the oil's hot.
Hot, yeah.
In goes the beef. Put it all in, Ma. Yeah, why not?
All in, yeah?
Yeah.
You do the talking then, okay?
Okay. Oh, can I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please.
So we're letting the beef sit, and we're just going to let that brown on one side first before we think about turning it.
Look, you see? You're turning now, all right?
When your beef is browned, we're going to add our onions.
Yeah.
Let me know when you want your onions,
Yeah,
Mum.
okay.
Okay, yeah, now?
Yeah.
A little bit of salt. A little bit of what, Ma?
MSG.
And then we're going to brown off the MSG. So when those onions are browned off, we're going to add some peppers. red and green. You can use any that you choose. Some rehydrated garlic granules. These are not the same as the ones you find in Western supermarkets. Then there you go. Touch of salt.
Wow, smelling it good.
Touch of MSG.
Yep.
Black peppercorns, ground. We're just going to cook this off for about 20-30 seconds. Then we're going to add just a touch of water, not much. Some light soy sauce. You can add some Shaoxing rice wine now if you want to, but I don't like to. I like the main flavour of this to be the beef. As always, taste. We season little and often. That's why people think we add lots of salt and MSG, and we don't. It's small amounts often because you can add, you can't take away. Perfect.
Yep.
So we're just going to bring this back to the boil. I'm just going to thicken with tater starch slurry. Again, small amounts at a time.
Perfect.
What I normally do if I'm cooking this dish is I actually add extra black pepper at the end. Again, the lid. What is with me? Who designed this thing? There we go, the extra black pepper. There we go, let's try some.
Yes, it me will be fresh cut chili that never miss.
No, that's true actually. Do we have any?
No, we haven't got any more. I have to wait for delivery.
In case you didn't know, we do these videos on our day off, so there's no deliveries or anything here. But there is postmen who walk in.
The pepper, not just green, both of them are super crunchy. Can you hear it? And the beef. Oh my God.
I love beef. I know we've done beef two weeks in a row, but it's so good.
I could have any meat all day.
Me too.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Thank you very much. And subscribe and forward to friends.
Quick note, I am in the States this week coming, so we're not going to have videos for a couple of weeks. Not because we've got an app and we don't want to do videos anymore, because I'm filming a documentary on MSG and Mum can't do this by herself because...
You need to chin and chew, that's why.
Well, yeah, and also Mum can't edit, film and everything else.
And talk at the same time.
So apologise for that.
Sorry about that.
But hopefully it's worth it, because I think it's going to be
It's gone worth it. It's gone worth it.
Just a heads up there. Yeah, remember, commenting helps us know what to make next. So don't think your comments are missed, because they're not. Even the hateful ones that make me laugh. I feel really enjoy. Sorry, shouldn't talk in my mouth full.
Honestly, give this a go.
Yeah.
We are thinking to do like a get together for a dinner host. Is it? Did I say it right? Yeah. Would you like to see that? Please comment.
It won't be a live stream. It would be like how we would go about making like a buffet for friends and family. So if you want to see that, comment below and we'll definitely get that done. Anyway, remember we have an app and the link for that will be in the description below, along with our cookbooks. We've got a recipe vault that, you know, gets your names in the comments, things that come earlier as well, and recipes, written recipes for everything we do here. They all go on the vault and you get the videos earlier than everyone else. And other perks as well. But that's about it for today.
Yes. Thank you for watching and thank you for following. Happy cooking, happy eating.
Take care. Got some more.
Yeah, it's really good.